In this quick video, I'll show you how you can combine two images together on iPhone. Okay, so people on YouTube are telling you to do wildly crazy methods just to combine two photos, but what I would do is use an app and get this done in 60 seconds. So all you need to do is open up your App Store. Then once you're in the App Store, go ahead and search for Collage. Now by doing so, you'll be then given a bunch of different apps you can choose. Most of these are going to be free and will work great. You want one really that you can just choose your layout and you can just make it very easy, right? So I'm going to choose Collage Maker. We'll click Get. If you want to follow along with this app, you can do. It is going to be very easy, but they all do the same thing. Now once you've got the app downloaded, open it up and you are going to have to allow it access to your photos here. And you may have ads on yours. Just go ahead and click on the X out of the ads. Now we can upload the media that we want to combine. So I'm going to upload these two images, 1 and 2, and we can then go ahead and choose the layout. Now we can swipe through these and choose whatever layout we need. For most of you, it's just going to be the side-by-side 2-image layout, but you can go fancy. For most of you, it's just going to be the side-by-side 2-image layout here, but you can go ahead and choose any of these, and you can click more and choose all of these for free. I'm just going to go ahead and choose the horizontal side by side, and then if we want to save it, go to save in the top right hand corner, then click save as photo. If it plays an advertisement, just close out of it and you then should see it in your photos. So here it is, and that is how I would do it.